Standard 9th, Science and Technology, Part 1st, Chapter number 2, Work and Energy. Here we are going to study the transformation of energy. That means energy is transformed from one form of energy into the another form of energy. How that we are going to study now. We will start from the generator of electricity, in which the mechanical energy is given to the generator, and when the turbine is rotated, from that this mechanical energy is converted into the electrical energy with the help of the strong magnetic field and a coil rotating between it. Electrical energy is produced. That means here mechanical energy is transformed into the electrical energy. Also, in counter direction, the electrical energy, when supplied to any engine or a motor which is situated in the fan, and it starts to rotate, then electrical energy is converted into the mechanical energy. The next example here shown is light energy, which is present in the solar light, is converted into the electric energy with the help of the solar cell, or these solar cells are nothing but the photoelectric cells. These photoelectric cells have capacity to convert the light energy into the electrical energy, and it can be stored in the battery in the chemical energy form. And this electrical energy in reverse direction can be converted into the light energy when we are glowing the electric lamp. Here the primary cell, that means the simple cell, is used to convert this chemical energy into the electrical energy. Volta's simple cell is the best example for this. And counterpart is electrical energy is converted into the chemical energy when a cell is charged. This is the secondary cell. Also, when we are speaking, then the microphone or mic, these convert this sound energy into electrical energy, and that electrical energy is conducted through the wires up to the speakers, that means up to the loudspeakers, and when it reaches up to the loudspeaker, again here the electrical energy is converted into the sound energy. Likewise, again a different type of situation is there. Heat energy can be converted into the electrical energy. Here thermocouple device is required, which helps the conversion of heat energy into the electrical energy. And the electrical energy, when is supplied to the electric iron or oven or any bulb or any electrical device, a part of energy is converted into the heat energy. These are the examples of the transformation of energy from one form to another form. Thank you.